chilly today. A nice day to go do a Lache. Hey, that rhymes. I can start a rap career. Well, for now, I'll put that on the back burner. It's time to go take a barefoot stroll over to my local playground. I'll tell you one thing, nothing beats the freedom of flying through the air, even if it's just for a split second. But you're doing it on your own accord, and you're completely in control of your own takeoff and landing. Anyway, let's go over a few things you can do to build up the motion and muscles necessary to get yourself propelled through the air from one side to the other. The first thing I like to do is mimic the swinging motion without releasing from the bar. I'll do this a few times before even considering doing a Lache. This way my body's not so stiff when I go to put the planes in motion. The second thing I do is a few warm-ups for my grip strength. This way my hands won't feel a sudden shock when I go to grab a bar on a landing. Once we get warmed up and loose, then we can actually start jumping. Now there's a lot of subtleties to this swinging motion, but I'll just give you the basics that I'm aware of because I'm not a pro, just a guy who enjoys the freedom of movement. To first generate a good swinging motion, you want to use the lat muscles in your back and kick your legs up and out as high as you can. Right here you can see how much force I'm generating because when I land my feet on the ground, I get forced backwards. The second part is your backswing and keeping that motion. As you can see, I'm kind of limited on my backswing by these monkey bars. I'll just hit my head really hard if I go too high. But as you can see, in this position, my knees are bent, almost like I'm on a swing set. And just like on a swing set, you want to kick your legs out on the way forward. But there's one caveat. You need to generate a very quick burst with your legs and hips in order to get that throwing motion. This will launch your body through the air far enough to reach your destination. Let's see it in slow motion. Now let's see it in real time. At the end of a Lache, keep in mind not to keep your arms extended too far. The more your elbows are bent, the more you can deal with the recoil of your entire body being caught by your two hands. This will greatly reduce the risk of shoulder pain or injury. And there you have it, some Lache basics. Again, I'm no pro and I don't claim to be, it's just really fun to do. If you guys found this informative or interesting, smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget, if you like anything related to fitness, gaming, hobbies, or motivational speeches, check out the rest of my channel. Because life isn't one-dimensional, and neither is my content. So until next time, love your life and stay motivated. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.